It's Chuck Jordan. That awesome Motown sound from Barrett Strong is our intro to the Okanagan Money Report, produced by Septon Financial and West Bank and District Community Radio Society, heard Saturdays and Sundays here on WDCR 95.1 and streaming live at wdcr.ca at 1 and 5 p.m. Pacific. We are the radio version of Okanagan Money. Check us out at septonmoneymag.com and check out our print edition you'll find across West Kelowna and Kelowna. I'm Chuck Jordan, your host. By popular request, we have back in the guest seat that great investment advisor of the Golden West, my sidekick, Buddy.
Hello everyone, I'm real glad to be back here again.
Hey Buddy, you've got a smile on your face today for a change. What have you been up to?
I just got my yearly payout on my investment from the bank.
Oh yes? How much did you make this year, bud?
I got it right here.
That doesn't look like much, buddy.
I ain't finished yet. So, what do you think about that?
Well, I don't think much of it, buddy. I think a man of your vast wealth could be making a few dollars more than what you are doing at present.
How many more than what I got right now?
Put your spare change away, buddy. I mean, you could be looking at some alternative types of investment. Which brings me to this week's topic here on Okanagan Money Report, private market investment.
What do you mean by private market investments? There ain't nothing shady going on, I'm hoping for your sake.
No, buddy. It means companies going to individual, private investors to raise money for their projects, instead of going to the stock market, since it costs a whole lot less.
Can't imagine nobody raising a lot of money that way.
Well, you'd be wrong, bud. Alberta companies raised $8 billion from private sources in 2015, while publicly traded Alberta companies raised about $11.3 billion. So you see, it's bigger business than you think.
Yeah, but I'll bet your private market investments is gonna be something fancy, like space tourism or growing the perfect dahlia.
No, bud, you'd be surprised. Most private market investments, that is, for a qualified investor, are in real estate, finance, technology, oil and gas, recurring revenue, royalty streams, or tax-advantaged funds. The kind of investments we've talked about on the show.
But what about if the stock market goes belly up, like it did back in 29? I remember them days.
I'm sure you do, buddy, and it is an interesting question. I'll be happy to address your concerns right after this. Buddy, you asked a question about the impact of the stock market on private market investments. Well, private companies are priced at a certain point in time, and not continuously priced on a public market like the TSX, where prices change every day and every hour.
So what's gonna be your answer?
Well, the prices of private investments just don't correlate to prices on the stock market. They can keep their value while the public markets are flat. There is some diversification for you, bud.
So what do I get out of it?
Besides portfolio diversification, you get the chance to grow your capital and generate new income.
There's gotta be a catch here somewhere.
Private market investments do come with risk, and they are not liquid.
So who's gonna help me decide?
To find out if these investments are right for you, just Google septonmoneymag.com to contact us. This is Chuck Jordan signing off with Buddy. Say goodbye, Buddy, and don't knock that change on the floor.
Goodbye, buddy.
And saying thanks for listening to today's Okanagan Money Report.